Hello and welcome back to yet another video. My name is Aisha Ahmed, and today Rodol Homes Ltd brings you valuable insights on budgeting tips for a seamless home ownership journey. Now, whether you're a first-time buyer or an experienced homeowner, these tips are going to help you manage your finances effectively. Now, tip number one is to create a comprehensive budget. One of the first things to do when becoming a homeowner is creating a comprehensive budget. Knowing where every dollar and shilling goes helps you plan for a future and avoid unexpected expenses. The second tip is to track your spending. Keeping track of your spending is key. It helps you identify areas where you can cut costs and allocate more towards home-related expenses. And the next tip is being smart about home improvement. Now, choosing cost-effective home improvement projects is a game changer. It's all about enhancing your home without having to break the bank. Now we are on to tip number 4, which is to communicate with your partner if at all you have one. Being on the same page is very crucial for achieving your financial goals and also making your house a true home. Last but not least, you have to embrace DIY projects, or as we know it, do-it-yourself projects. DIY projects not only save money, but make your house and home uniquely yours. By following these budgeting tips, you can enjoy the journey of home ownership with confidence. Remember, at Rodol Homes Ltd, we are not just building houses, we are building homes for a lifetime. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or need any guidance on your home ownership journey, feel free to reach out to us through +254 1 111 20900 or walk in to our offices at Diamond Plaza 2, 11th floor. Rodol Homes Ltd. Experience modern luxury.